ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. We are doing some problems in class 10 mathematics, pair of linear equations in two variables. We are doing some important word problems which appeared in the examination also. So we are trying to do some problems in linear equations in two variables, word problems which involve two equations and finding the solution. Before that, let me remind you of that any two linear equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. General form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants, x and y are variables. A, b, c are such that a square plus b square is non-zero. That means one of a and b must be not 0. C can be 0, but one of a and b must be non-zero. This is the condition. This kind of two equations, if we take, they represent two lines. Whenever they represent two lines, the two lines can be either intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. But whatever it may be, we have got conditions. As per the conditions, we go ahead. In dealing with this kind of problems, we are given some problems which are in terms of words. They are called word problems. For example, I will dictate one word problem. We will try doing this problem in linear equations method. 10 students of class 10, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4, if the number of girls is 4 more than boys, find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. Find the number of boys and girls find the number of boys and girls who took part in quiz. This is the question. I will repeat the question. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Then find the number of boys and the number of girls in the who took part in the quiz. That is the question. What is the condition given? There are two conditions involved. You should be very careful to understand the two conditions in the given problem. How many students are there? Total students 10. What is condition 1? Girls, the number of girls is 4 more than boys. Number of girls is 4 more than boys. This is the condition. With the help of these two conditions, you have to find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. So, it is not that difficult problem, but it is word problem. Because of word problem, we should be very careful in catching or trying to understand the logic in it. First look at the condition 1. What is the total number of students? 10. So, what do you say? So, we will take two variables. What is the variable? X is one variable, y is the second variable. So, we take two variables x and y. X and y are the variables. So, number of boys, number of girls. Let us take the number of boys and number of girls. So, what is number of boys we will take? Shall we take one variable here? Yes. What is the variable? X. What is the other variable? Y. What is then? X plus y is equal to 10. Have you understood this? How come this is 10? Because how many students took part in quiz? 10 students. It is clear. It is clearly given. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Therefore, how many students are there? 10 students. Of them, how many boys are there? X boys. How many girls are there? Y girls. So, what is the total? X plus y. What is the given total? 10. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 10. So, we have written this as 1. What is condition 2? Condition 2 is very important for us to solve the problem. If condition 2 is not given, there are so many ways. 1 boy, 9 girls, 2 boys, 8 girls, 3 boys, 7 girls, 4 boys, 6 girls, like that, so many possibilities. But here the question is not that. You have to find all possible ways of taking part in a quiz, but exact number is wanted. There is one more condition given. What is the condition given? Number of girls is 4 more than boys. What is number of girls? Y. Condition is y. Number of girls is 4 more than boys. 4 plus x. This is the condition. You must be able to write the condition from the words to equation. This is the technique which you have to adopt in doing word problems. If you can be successful in that, almost the problem is done. Over. The problem is over. What is y? 4 plus x. What is x plus y? 10. Call this as 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 2 in equation 1. What is 2? Y equal to 4 plus x. X plus y is equal to 10. X plus 4 plus x is equal to 10. So, 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 4 plus x, 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So, number of boys what is the number of boys? X. What is x equal to? 3. Number of girls is equal to 7. This is the answer. Look at the question and look at the answer. Problem is done. Total number of students 10, matched. What is the total number of students? 3 plus 7, 10 is satisfied. Then what is the condition? Number of girls is 4 more than boys. Number of girls 7 is equal to 4 more than boys. 7 is equal to 3 plus what? 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That means number of girls minus number of boys is equal to 3. Hence, second condition is also satisfied. This is the way you have to work out any word problem. Just go through the word problem. This is a 4-mark question in the examination. Look at the problem. 10 students, one condition. 4 more than boys is second condition. You have to write these two conditions in terms of equations so that the problem can be solved. I hope you have understood this problem. You can look at this problem. Shall we take another problem? So, 10 students problem is over, quiz problem. This is a simple logic, but applying the simple logic and writing that in the form of an equation is very important for doing the problem. Now, I will tell you one more problem which is a word problem again. Half the perimeter, HALF, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter, whose length is 4 meter more than its width, is 36 meter, Find the dimensions. This is the question. Find the dimensions. This is also a word problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. Whose length is 4 meter more than its width? This is another condition. Look at the condition. Half the perimeter is given as 36 meters.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Let us solve this problem. For solving the problem, you don't need to have any geometrical figure, but drawing a geometrical figure is always helpful to you. In rough right side margin, you draw that. What is the rectangular garden looking like? It is a rectangular garden. Rectangular garden is like this. What is this? Length. What is this? Width. Am I right? So, let us take length as x, width as y. Exactly. So, length is taken as x, width is taken as y. So, length is equal to x meters. Width is equal to y meters. This we supposed it. So, we can say it is supposed. When we suppose anything, we can say on the right side, say length is equal to x meters, width is equal to 4 meters. What is the perimeter formula for a rectangle? So, length is x, x plus y plus x plus y, 2 times x plus y. What is half the perimeter? Half perimeter is equal to x plus y into 2 divided by 2, which is x plus y. This is the right side margin work. Now, we are applying the right side margin formula in the problem in order to change the given problem into two equations, so that you can solve the problem and get the answer. What is the condition? Condition 1 is length is 4 meter more than its width. What is that? Length is x is equal to, I will write the condition here. Condition 1 I will write, half the perimeter is 36. Half perimeter is equal to 36 meters. What is half perimeter formula? X plus y. On the right side margin, I have already written that. So, take that x plus y is equal to 36, call it as 1. We will put it in a box. We will make use of this box later. Now, what is the second condition? Carefully understand the second condition and try to implement the condition and get one equation. What is the second condition? Length is 4 meter more than its width. Condition 2. Condition 2 is length is equal to 4 meter more than its width. What is width? We will write now. Length is equal to 4 more than width, 4 plus width. More than means addition, 4 less than means subtraction. Remember that. So, what is length? X is equal to 4 plus what? Y. So, can we replace x value in the given equation? Call it as 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Sub 2 in 1, what do you get? 2 is x equal to 4 plus y. We are replace x. 4 plus y is equal to 36. 4 plus 2y is equal to 36. 2y is equal to 36 minus 4, 32. Y is equal to 32 divided by 2, 16. When y is equal to 16, what is x? Y 4 plus y, which is 4 plus 16, which is equal to 20. Therefore, what do you say? Length is equal to x. Length is equal to x meters. X is equal to 20 meters. 20 meters. Width is equal to 16 meters. This is the answer. Look at the problem. We have solved the problem and we got the answer as length and breadth as 20 and 16. What is the first condition? Length is 4 more than width. 20 is 4 more than 16. What is 4 plus 16? 20. Satisfied. What is the perimeter formula? 2 times length plus breadth. Full perimeter. Half perimeter is L plus B. 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Have you understood the diagram? It is a rectangular garden. Length and width formula related to that, and we got the problem. You can draw the problem like this and work out the solution like this. In these two problems, we have discussed two word problems. Apply some coordinate geometry or mensuration formulae and work out this. This is the answer. We will take one more problem now. We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So, this question is a simple question. You should be wise to answer the question. We have one equation. What is the equation? 2x minus 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. Write another linear equation, so that the geometrical interpretation is intersecting lines. This is the question. So, geometric interpretation is intersecting lines. So, like that we have to find one equation. We have lot of possibilities of answering this question. Why lot of possibilities of answering this question? We are given one equation. What is the equation? 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is L1 equal to 0. This is an inclined line. It is neither x axis nor y axis. It is an inclined line on x axis. So, I have drawn the geometrical interpretation. Now, what is the condition we have to meet? Try writing another linear equation. What is the condition? That line should be an intersecting line to this line. Now, if at all we take two lines, if the lines are parallel, what is the condition? L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 are parallel lines only when A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. If the two lines are intersecting, what do you say? The two lines are intersecting means all three conditions are satisfied. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Now, the condition is when the two lines are intersecting, what is that you have to think about? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is the formula which you learnt in your previous classes. So, in order to form a new equation, given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Is it a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 form? Yes, correct. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 form. What kind of equation we want? One intersecting line we want. In order to write one intersecting line, what is the condition we have to meet? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Assume 3x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. Is it in the form of A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0? Yes. Compare A1, A2. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 3. What is B1 by B2? 3 by minus 2. Look at 2 by 3 and 3 by minus 2. Are they equal? No. They are unequal. They are unequal. Means what? This is 1, this is 2. Both are intersecting. Both are intersecting lines. Therefore, required line. He asked you to write one line which is intersecting. Required line is anything you can write, but here we wrote 3x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0 is the answer. Now, I am going to add one more question to this. First, understand the logic. Given equation, general form, we assumed one equation, applied the condition, wrote the answer. Suppose he wanted us to find parallel lines. How to find parallel lines? Parallel lines means what? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. So, if at all he asked us to write two parallel lines, this is not correct. 2x plus 3y you should keep as it is. So, in order to see that a parallel line is thought of, 2x plus 3y must be written as it is plus some k. Already 8 is given, right? 10 equal to 0. Another parallel line, 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Keep altering the constant term, 2x plus 3y plus 17 equal to 0. Just keep changing the constants here, then you get a parallel line. If you interchange or if you change constant with any other constant, you get a parallel line. Am I right? Understood? Look at the formula condition. Apply the formula, the condition, parallel line condition, then you get this. In place of minus 8, write plus 8, another parallel line, plus 7, another parallel line, plus 3, another parallel line. Suppose we want one coincident line, what do? Just multiply it by 2, 2 into 2x, 4x, 6y minus 16 equal to 0. Multiply it by 2, coincident line, multiply it by 3, another coincident line, multiply it by 4, another coincident line. But this question is an intelligent question. He did not ask us to write coincident line. He didn't ask us to write parallel line, but he asked us to write intersecting line. Intersecting line is this L1, L2. So, if you draw a line like this, it is an intersecting line. Suppose you draw one more line like this, it is also an intersecting line. You write one more line like this. That is the reason you have infinite possibilities of writing the intersecting lines to the given line. So, I hope you have understood that. Suppose you are asked to find parallel line and coincident line in the examination. How will you answer the question? Write another equation so that the geometrical interpretation is intersecting line or parallel line or coincident line. So, for case 1 intersecting line, case 2 parallel line. Case 2 parallel, what do you write? 2x plus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 is enough. Understood? In the same question, if he asked 3 parts, how will you answer? First case, second case, case 3 is coincident line, same thing multiplied by 2, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, just multiply it by 2. What is the answer? 4x plus 6y minus 16 equal to 0 is the answer. Look at the answers. This is intersecting line, this is a parallel line, this is a coincident line. So, like this you have to answer coincident line, parallel line, intersecting line. I hope you have understood this kind of problem. Any such problem if given, you can do it this way. So, just copy down the problem. I will move it so that you can see the whole part. We have linear equation to find intersecting line. This is the geometrical interpretation. How many lines are possible? N number of lines. What is n? Infinity. So many lines are possible. Any number of lines we can write. Just see, this is the answer. Am I right? 3x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. In place of 10, write 11, one equation. Write 1, one equation. 2, one equation. 3, one equation. Keep changing 10. any number, you get n number of lines, infinite number of lines. Just to change constant value, you will get number of lines. That is the reason this doesn't have a unique solution. It has infinitely many answers. Among the answers, we can write one answer like this. So, in the examination if you write, there is no unique answer for this problem. And now take the case 2. Suppose he asks you to find case 2. What is case 2? He asks you to find parallel line. General form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, or parallel lines only when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Here I have written the formula. So, keep the two coefficients of x and y same, 2x plus 3y. Change the constant, 2x plus 3y. In place of minus 8, write plus 8, write 10, write 11, any number. Just to change this number, you get a parallel line. That is the logic. Next, how to find a coincident line? What is the condition? Two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are coincident lines if and only if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is the formula. So, for this problem, how to answer the question? There may be a 1 mark question, there will be a 2 mark question. Write a coincident line to the given line 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. How to answer? Just to take the left hand side, multiply it by 2, multiply it by minus 1, multiply it by 3, multiply it by minus 3. So, you have several possibilities of answering this question. You can multiply this particular left hand side by any constant you require. I have multiplied here by 2. You can multiply it by minus 2, you can multiply it by 1, anything, or you can multiply by the same number itself, 1. You get the same equation which represents the same equation, coincident line. So, with that you learnt the 3 possibilities of answering for any given line, find the intersecting line. For any given line, parallel line. For any given line, coincident line. But here the question is 4 mark question for intersecting line. If at all they ask you parallel line, it is only a 2 mark question. If at all they ask you only intersect coincident line, it is a 2 mark question. Put together they do not generally ask. If it is asked also, it is very easy to answer the question. So, I hope that you enjoyed learning the 3 word problems.